Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show how to create transparent text box in Premiere Pro. For showing, here's I'll paint a video footage on my timeline. Now go to File, New, Legacy Title. Click this rectangle tool and draw a rectangle box here. Change fill color from here. I'm giving opacity to 60%. Using text tool, I'm writing a text here. Changing the color from here. Then select text and increase opacity to 100%. Make text bigger from here and now put this text above the box. When it's done, cross this window. Drag the caption into the timeline above the video footage. And here we can see a transparent text box has been created. That's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.